Welcome back to Decor, where we explore beautiful and inspiring home garden design ideas that can transform any outdoor space into a personal paradise. Today, we're stepping into a whimsical rustic backyard garden filled with recycled decor, charming details, and creative landscaping solutions perfect for small spaces. Whether you have a tiny backyard, a cozy side yard, or a compact garden corner, these ideas will show you how imagination and resourcefulness can create a stunning outdoor retreat without a large budget. Rustic elements and repurposed materials add character, warmth, and a unique story to every corner of the garden. Before we begin, please subscribe to Decor for more garden inspiration, give this video a like if you enjoy creative landscaping ideas, and leave a comment sharing your favorite garden style. Let's explore this enchanting backyard together. One of the defining elements of a rustic garden is the use of reclaimed wood. Old pallets, weathered fence boards, and salvaged timber can be transformed into raised garden beds, decorative screens, or charming pathway borders that blend naturally with the landscape. The aged texture and imperfect appearance of reclaimed wood create an authentic rustic atmosphere. Instead of hiding wear and tear, these materials celebrate their history and bring a sense of nostalgia to the outdoor space. Simple wooden structures such as handmade benches, garden signs, or vertical planters can become focal points while remaining functional. Their natural appearance complements flowers, herbs, and greenery beautifully. Rustic gardens thrive on creativity, and recycled containers offer endless possibilities. Old watering cans, metal buckets, wooden crates, and even vintage wheelbarrows can be repurposed into eye-catching planters full of colorful blooms. Mixing different container sizes and materials creates visual interest throughout the garden. Rusty metal surfaces paired with vibrant flowers produce a delightful contrast that feels both playful and timeless. Position these recycled planters along pathways, near seating areas, or around entry points to create layers of color and texture. This simple approach adds charm while making the most of limited garden space. Adding whimsical decorative elements helps bring personality to a rustic backyard garden. Handmade wind chimes, painted stones, vintage lanterns, and repurposed metal sculptures introduce artistic touches that spark curiosity and delight. Old bicycle frames can become flower displays, while antique window frames may serve as decorative garden accents. These unexpected pieces create unique focal points that make visitors stop and admire the creativity behind the design. The key is to balance decoration with nature. Allow plants and flowers to remain the stars while decorative accents quietly enhance the garden's overall character and story. Even the smallest backyard can feel spacious with thoughtful landscaping. Curved pathways create a sense of movement and discovery, encouraging visitors to explore different sections of the garden. Layering plants of various heights helps maximize visual depth. Taller shrubs at the back, medium-sized flowering plants in the middle, and low-growing ground covers in the front create a lush and organized appearance. Vertical gardening is another excellent solution for compact spaces. Trellises, wall planters, and hanging baskets allow gardeners to add greenery without sacrificing valuable ground space. A whimsical backyard wouldn't be complete without a cozy place to relax and enjoy the surroundings. Rustic seating areas can be created using reclaimed wood benches, vintage chairs, or simple DIY furniture projects. Surround seating spaces with fragrant flowers, ornamental grasses, and climbing vines to create a private and inviting atmosphere. Soft cushions and warm lighting can further enhance comfort and charm. These intimate garden nooks provide the perfect setting for morning coffee, afternoon reading, or quiet evenings spent appreciating the beauty of nature. Using recycled materials is not only visually appealing but also environmentally friendly. Repurposing old items reduces waste while giving new life to objects that might otherwise be discarded. Rain barrels, compost bins, and recycled garden edging contribute to a sustainable landscape while maintaining the rustic aesthetic. These practical features support healthy gardening practices and responsible resource use. By combining sustainability with creativity, homeowners can build gardens that are both beautiful and meaningful. Every recycled element becomes part of a larger story of conservation and thoughtful design. As we've seen today, a whimsical rustic backyard garden can be created with imagination, recycled decor, and clever landscaping techniques. From reclaimed wood features to charming vintage planters, every detail contributes to a warm and inviting outdoor retreat. Small spaces offer tremendous opportunities for creativity. With thoughtful planning and a willingness to repurpose materials, even the most compact backyard can become a magical garden filled with character and beauty. Thank you for watching Decor. We hope these rustic garden ideas inspire your next outdoor project. Don't forget to subscribe for more garden design inspiration, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite idea from today's tour. See you in the next video.